How to fix high ping while gaming on Windows. Installing the latest Windows updates can resolve various system issues and improve performance, including network stability. Windows updates often include new features, security improvements, and bug fixes that can help in optimizing your system's efficiency. The Network Troubleshooter can help diagnose and automatically resolve issues with your internet connection. It checks for common issues such as network adapter problems or incorrect network settings. Wait till the process is finished and apply the offered fixes. End. Restart your device. Outdated or corrupted network drivers can cause connectivity problems. Updating them can improve network performance and stability.
If that didn't work,
Now restart your computer and try again, and your problem should be fixed.
if that didn't work,
Resetting your network settings can resolve issues by removing and reinstalling all your network adapters and setting everything back to its original configuration. If nothing works, then reset your PC. Resetting Windows reinstalls the operating system, which can resolve underlying system issues affecting network performance. This should be a last resort.